Hi kindergarten, we're going to do a little video going over some of our math that we did for chapter 7 extra practice. So the first problem that we saw in our extra practice is we saw a 10 frame with a couple extra counters at the bottom. So we need to count how many there are altogether. And you know from in class, when we see a 10 frame that is filled, we don't need to count. We know that that's 10. So I can start at 10 when I know that that's filled and go from there and count 11, 12. Now I know that there are 12 altogether. So I need to write my number sentence. I know that there are 10 in the 10 frame, so I'll write the number 10. So that's 10 ones. And now I need my extra ones, and I know there's 1, 2 more ones. So I'll write 2. Now I have 10 ones and 2 ones, and I know when I count, that makes 12 altogether. We'll go down, we'll go to number 2. Same thing in number 2. Number 2, I have a full 10 frame. I don't need to count those. I know that that's 10 altogether. This is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I know that I have 15 squares, so I need to write the number 15. To make the number 15, I make straight line 1 is fun. And then I go down and around, give it a hat, and see what we found. And let's try this. There we go, 15. All right, and then number 3 says, look at the 10 ones and some more ones in number 2 and write the addition sentence to match. So I need to know how many are in the 10 frame. Oh, that's 10 because it's filled. I'm going to write my plus sign because I'm adding some more. How many more am I adding? I'm adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. So I need to add 5. And I need my equal sign. So I have 10 plus 5, and I have 15 altogether. So 1 and a 5. And there's my 15. So my number sentence is 10 plus 5 equals 15. All right, so that is our first page in our math for this week.